In today's video, we are going to cover how to connect Paperform with Zapier. Begin by signing in to your Zapier account. Once you are on the main dashboard, click Create and then select Zap. This opens a new automation where you can set up the connection between Zapier and Paperform. Next, search for Paperform in the app selection area. When it appears, select it as either the Trigger app or the Action app, depending on the workflow you are building. After that, choose the event you want to use with Paperform, then click Continue to move to the Account Connection step. You will now see an Account section inside Zapier. Click Sign In to open the Paperform connection window. This is where Zapier asks for permission to access your Paperform account using an API token. To get that token, switch over to your Paperform account in a separate tab or window. In Paperform, go to Developer. If you do not already have an access token created, click Create Access Token. Once the token is available, copy the access token exactly as it appears. Make sure you copy the full value before returning to Zapier. Go back to the Paperform connection window in Zapier, find the API token field, paste in the token you copied from Paperform, and then click Connect. At this point, Zapier will start verifying the credentials. Give it a moment to complete that check. After the verification finishes, look at the account field in Zapier and confirm that your Paperform account now appears there. This confirms that the connection was accepted. If more than one account is available, make sure the correct one is selected before continuing. Once the account is showing correctly, click Continue and run the available test. This test checks that Zapier can access your Paperform account successfully. Wait for the test result to finish and confirm that the connection works before moving on. With the Paperform account connected and tested, continue configuring the trigger or action you selected earlier. Complete the remaining setup for that event inside your Zap, then continue building the rest of the automation in Zapier based on what you want the workflow to do. During this process, keep your Paperform event selection and connected account aligned. If you started with Paperform as the trigger, finish setting up the trigger details before moving to the next app. If you selected Paperform as the action, complete the action setup with the connected account that you just verified. Your Paperform account is now connected to Zapier and ready to use in your Zap.